Hi, today we're gonna make steamed lobster with cellophane noodle. And that's the lobster here, like 4 to 5 ounces lobster. And we're gonna cook the cellophane noodle. And we're gonna use about two of them. Like they have pieces like this in it, and but we only need two. So all you have to do, you just soak it in hot water, real hot water. So we get some hot water here. So we run it to real hot, right here. See, they're steaming hot. You can see the smoke. Okay, so two here, and then we just put it in there for like 15-20 minutes. So this already soaked for like 15-20 minutes in hot water. So you drain the water out. Okay. So we're gonna put some seasoning in it. We're gonna put little onions in it. Yeah, onions in it, and one oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce in it. Little salt. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Then mix them up like that. We're gonna put it on the plate, like that. Then we're gonna put the lobster on top, and we're gonna cut them to half. So you just cut it in the middle here, like that. See, you see some wing in here, so you just clean this out. See, just clean that out. See, they're just laying on the top. Some chop up gingers and some chop up garlics. So we chop them the front. You can cut it real small, and you put it together. Half a tablespoon of sesame seed oil in it. Half teaspoon of salt. Half teaspoon. We're going to put some oil and enough to cover the gingers and the garlic. Then we're going to put it kind of evenly, put it on top of the lobster meat. See, like that. Like that. Okay. Use a high heat, So we cover them up. And after it's boiling, and now it's boiling. So we're going to cover them up, and we're going to cook it steam them for 10 minutes. Okay, this is 10 minutes. So we're going to take it out. You sprinkle some onions on it. Okay, then also we're going to sprinkle some little salt on it, real small amount, just enough, just go over a little bit. Okay, so we're going to heat up some oil, real hot, then we're going to put it on it. You see, then you hear some noise. Put it on each pieces, on the meat. See that? I'm gonna put some soy sauce on, little soy sauce. See, you just put some soy sauce on each one, little bit on each one. Just like that. Okay, this is steamed lobster with cellophane noodle.